friends! Look what day it is! MXM, 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 MXM. All right, I get so excited for MXM Day. So the theme this month, all I know is that it's go with the flow, and I was very deeply wishing it would be menstrual themed, but I don't think it is. Okay, so we have, this is the full kit, of course. We have 2 plates, MXM, 133 and 134. This is a fluid art kit, and we have 2 polishes, drip and melt. So we've got, which is a pink and a teal green. Here's our example here where they used, I'm assuming, the teal green from the box. This is sort of funny. Look at the little streak here. Got to use that smudge free. It still looks really cool though. So here's how you do it. Yep. 1 step, 2 step, easy peasy. Ooh, big bonus gifts. What? I haven't seen the email yet, actually. What is this? To clean your brush? What? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I actually just almost bought a new mat that had like a built-in one like this, but what? How cool is this? I think you're supposed to like, yeah. Whoa, oh my gosh, I love it. I wasn't expecting this. Like I said, I didn't see the email, and so I didn't know what was in here. This would be good for like regular makeup brushes too. And then I guess like you can lean them in there and like it sticks so the bristles won't touch the bottom. Yeah. Wow, what a cool gift. I like the color too. Awesome. There's all these like little packaging details that have changed lately with Maniology. Like the sticker is a little different, and the inside of this is sort of like this weird pink color now. Not that it matters, but I just noticed. There's a sticker. And we have 2 of these plates. Let me check out the polish as well. Ooh, super nice. I love melt. It has like that watermelon float kind of look to it. We'll compare those in just a moment. Here's our plates. They look pretty similar. So that's nice. So we got 133, 134. Some nice realistic water marbling stuff going on here. I bet these would look even better if you layered them a little bit. And the little Frenches. These French are very tiny, which is actually kind of nice because you don't need like these giant Frenches sometimes. Makes it a lot easier in my opinion. Okay, I had some issues with lighting, so I already bottle swatched these, and I swatched them on here, and I compared watermelon float and seashell, and this was melt. And then in the middle we have drip, zombie hut, and sour apple on the bottom. So you can see, to compare with these polishes, I don't think they're similar. I do think that watermelon float and melt are pretty similar. So if you have one, you probably don't need the other. Although watermelon float is a little more like kind of rich red, and then melt is a little more pastel pink. And because you didn't get to see me swatching, I just kind of wanted to show the formulas on this because they're kind of middle of the road. They're not too opaque and they're not too sheer. So they're a little bit washed out, in my opinion. I think this will be good for reverse stamping for sure. So yeah, pretty cool color combos. It really reminds me of that Barbie from the, I want to say like early 90s, that she had the roller skates, you know what I mean? She had like these kind of color outfit, and then she was like a beach roller skater. I think they had it in the Barbie movie too, but doesn't that remind you of this? Here's some natural outdoor lighting, and ooh, the sun just peeked out. It's overcast today, which gives colors a little bit more saturation. So this is a really pure white light inside my studio here. This is also indoors in sort of a darker room, a little bit warmer lighting. Anyway, so yeah, this is our kit for August. Go with the flow. A water marble looking kit for you. If water marble is not your thing, well, you can do this, and it's not cheating because this is still nail art. I thought this was a really good kit this month. I love this. This is really fun. Yeah, if you look at these plates and you're kind of thinking, I really like those, but I don't know what to do with them exactly, leave a comment and let me know what would be helpful. If you maybe would like to see demonstration of different color palettes with this, or maybe just kind of playing around and see how they work together, let me know. And also let me know if you're going to get this box or skip it. Really curious to see what you think. And don't forget, you can use my discount code ZEN10 on Maniology's website at checkout. I get 10% off of anything on there, including merch. They have like hoodies and stuff. It's really cute. So check it out. And yeah, thanks for joining me. And until next time, bye.